Hi everyone, my name is Wolfsbanee with 2 E's and I am a professional streamer in Singapore. So today we are back with another unboxing video and we are very lucky to be one of the first few in Singapore to be unboxing the Aoc AGON Ag273Fxr 27 gaming monitor. So I'm really excited. It's a pink weapon. Let's get to the unboxing. So inside the box, there is another box which stores all the power cables. You can just have a quick look. These are all the necessary components for your monitor. And over on the other side here, we have the base. And there's you can see a hint of pink inside. I can't wait to take out the wrapping so that you guys can have a clearer look. And lastly, we have the monitor itself. So this is going to be assembled shortly. Alright, so now that we have removed all the plastic packaging, we are ready to assemble. And from what I see, I think it's not very difficult because there are the markings already available for you. So I'm just going to match the markings right now. I'm going to do this quick. And then you just remember to lock it. I like how the screw underneath, you don't require a screwdriver. So just turn it in really quick to get it locked. And then after that, just remember to turn this. Use a little bit of force to turn this so that it is straight. And then from here on, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just clip this in. Over here, there are clips already. The markings are available. So what you do is you just need to push it in and then go in. So from here, you have finally assembled the monitor. So I'm just going to push this down. Ta-da! The Aoc AGON 273Fxr monitor is a 27-inch Full HD IPS panel display which has a refresh rate of 144Hz and 1 ms response time, which allows you to enjoy and have a smooth gaming experience. It includes AMD FreeSync Premium to prevent screen tearing. One thing I love about this monitor is that it's pink and white and it matches my setup. So it has this beautiful LED light at the back which will decorate your background aesthetics. You can also adjust the monitor's position according to your preference. Also, as a bonus, if you are a content creator, this will also be a good pick because it has 119% sRGB color space and HDR10 capability. This means that the monitor is color accurate for web content. The AGON monitor has 2 HDMI 2.0 inputs, 1 DisplayPort 1.4 input, and even a VGA input. Lastly, it comes with a special remote that allows you to conveniently access all the monitor's functions. For 2 consecutive years, Aoc was announced the #1 gaming monitor worldwide by IDC, and it showcases Aoc's strong and consistent brand alignment with gamers of all generations. As a bonus, Aoc has sent me the Crucial X6 portable SSD. So we're gonna take a look what is inside, and it is 500 GB, and wow, it is really portable. It's small and very convenient to hold. It's a USB-C to C cable and instructions. The Crucial X6 portable SSD is 5.6 times faster than most traditional HDDs, and it allows you to load and transfer files fast and get back to your day. Also, it is compatible with most devices: PC, Mac, PS4, Xbox One, Android devices, and more. The SSD is also shock resistant and can withstand extreme temperatures. Oops. If you're as clumsy as me, this will definitely be a good buy. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing video of the Aoc AGON Ag273Fxr pink power gaming monitor alongside with the Crucial X6 portable SSD. So if you guys want to purchase these products, especially the monitor, it will be released soon on the Aoc flagship store on Last Mall. So do check it out for the latest updates. And also, if you guys like my content, remember to subscribe and also like all my links below, check out all my socials, and also support me as I go on my journey with more review videos and also more streaming on Twitch. So thank you very much guys. I hope you guys have a great day and see you all soon. Bye!